A line of credit is an ongoing agreement between you and your bank which gives you access to a predetermined amount of credit whenever you need it. With a line of credit home loan, any money you borrow is usually secured against the equity of your home. In this video, we're going to look at what borrowing with a line of credit is, and we'll look at a couple of examples of how to calculate the interest on a line of credit. Another way to borrow money is with a line of credit, which is sometimes referred to as an overdraft. This gives you access to a supply of credit up to a certain limit, allowing you to purchase things now and pay later. Lines of credit are usually secured against an asset that you own, such as your house. If you default, the lender can sell the secured asset to pay for the debt. For this reason, they carry a lot lower interest rate than a credit card, more in line with the rate paid on the house. Interest is calculated daily. For the purposes of this video, we'll assume that it's paid by the borrower at the end of the month and not added to the debt. Lines of credit can usually sit there unused for as long as you want. They're commonly used as a financial buffer or a safety net. Because there's no interest-free period, you're unlikely to use a line of credit for a short-term purchase if you have a credit card. Let's look at an example. You obtain a line of credit secured against your home on 1st of August with an interest rate of 5.25% per annum. On 11th of August, you withdraw $10,000. On the 19th of September, you withdraw a further $6,000. Remember, interest is calculated daily. For the purpose of this video, we'll assume it's paid by the borrower at the end of the month. Therefore, we use the simple interest formula. How much interest is paid at the end of August? No interest is paid or incurred until the first withdrawal on the 11th of August. The remaining days in August, 31 take 11, is 21 days, including the 11th of August, because remember we've taken cash out. We use the simple interest formula. We substitute in $10,000, which is our principal, the amount we've borrowed, 0.0525, which is our interest rate converted to a decimal, times 21 days on 365, and we get $30.21 interest in August. How much interest is paid at the end of September? Now we're going to have to break this up into two different periods. The first period, the balance was $10,000, and this was from 1st of September to 18th of September. So we have 18 days at $10,000 at 5.25%. We get $25.89 interest. The next period is from the 19th of September to the 30th of September. That's 12 days. Now we're at 16,000 because we've taken out an extra 6,000. We add that to the original amount. The interest rate is still 5.25% or 0.0525 converted to a decimal. And the interest is $30.21. The total interest for September is the $25.89 plus $30.21, and we get $53.51 for September. Let's look at another example. On the 3rd of May, you would obtain a $5,000 line of credit secured against your car with an interest rate of 7.1% per annum. You do this to solve short-term cash flow problems. On 5th of May, you withdraw $2,000. On 10th of May, you withdraw a further $2,000. But on 27th of May, you pay off part of that, you pay $3,000. How much interest is paid at the end of May? Remember, no interest is paid or incurred until the first withdrawal on the 5th of May. We use a simple interest formula. For the first period, from the 5th of May to the 9th of May, is 5 days at $2,000 and 0.071, which is our interest rate converted to a decimal. And we get $1.95 interest. The next period is the 10th of May to the 26th of May. We've taken out an additional $2,000. And the interest on this period is $13.23. Finally, we make a payment, and therefore our balance is reduced to $1,000. This is for the period 27th of May to the 31st of May. The interest on the reduced balance for 5 days is 97 cents. Now to work out the interest for the entire month, we add them all together and we get the total interest for the month is $16.15. And that's it for this video. Thank you.